had this idea to kind of make a barn door entrance into the mudroom, but the barn door would also be a piece of art that's on the wall. But I really want it to be mid-century modern, and barn doors typically aren't very mid-century modern. It's much more of a farmhouse look. In order to nail that mid-century modern accent, I just have to be a little bit specific about the details.
For my barn door project, we are using leftover wood from the renovation, and I am determined for it to not be farmhouse feeling. But that means that the oak strips for the tambour effect need to be just right. But like every other project around here, we're just short of the material we need to finish.
It's close, but it's just not quite what I was hoping. Tighter space is more mid-century modern than like a bigger space. It's like such a fine line between farmhouse and mid-century modern, and like you just don't want to be, I just don't want to be farmhouse.
Julie says we don't have enough oak, but I feel like I saw some.
Yeah, are you sure there's no oak hiding somewhere? I feel like there's extra wood somewhere.
Let's go hunt. Let's go and hunt in your room.
But what's this?
Oh! What is this hiding?
Is it the right thickness?
We found some wood. We found some wood.
We're gonna cut some wood. We're gonna cut some wood.
We buried the hardware into the oak doors for a flush look to give the barn door a more modern feel. I have a sneaking suspicion tambour is about to become my new design bestie. Because I already have barn door hardware laying around, I mean, who doesn't, right? I got the look I wanted with one inexpensive can of gold spray paint. Paw prints were not the look I was going for. I did want guests to feel relaxed and welcome when they come through the door, but I wouldn't mind if their jaws dropped a little too.